Bastille Day, a French celebration. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into one of France's most iconic national holidays, Bastille Day. This day isn't just about fireworks and parades. It carries a significant historical weight for the French people. Let's uncover its origin, significance, and how it's celebrated today. Bastille Day, celebrated every July 14th, commemorates the storming of the Bastille in 1789. The Bastille was a prison and fortress in Paris, and its storming marked the beginning of the French Revolution. For many French people, this day represents the end of monarchy and the rise of democracy in France. This isn't just a day in history. It's the embodiment of the French spirit. Bastille Day symbolizes the triumph of the people against oppression. It's a day when the French remember their fight for freedom, equality, and fraternity, core values of the French Republic. Across France, festivities begin. Cities and towns host parades, concerts, and fireworks shows. Paris witnesses a grand military parade on the Champs-Élysées, the oldest and largest regular military parade in Europe. Families and friends gather for picnics, parties, and dancing. Many towns light up the sky with fireworks at night, a beautiful sight that delights everyone from children to adults. No celebration is complete without food. For Bastille Day, many enjoy traditional French dishes like croissants, quiche, and coq au vin. In recent years, barbecues have also become popular. As for activities, there are bals populaires or popular balls, where people of all ages dance the night away. These dances are especially popular in Paris, where fire stations open their doors to host these merry events. Bastille Day isn't just a holiday. It's a reflection of the French spirit of unity and revolution. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of this beautiful celebration. Whether you find yourself in France or anywhere else in the world on July 14th, take a moment to celebrate the values of liberty, equality, and fraternity. À bientôt! See you soon!